In our next menu example, we'll build a super button for ordering pizza. We're on the Food Menu Designer in the Point of Success Premium Office Manager. Press F9 to go to the design mode, and then click Super Button on the component palette and drop that onto the screen. For a button caption, we'll name this Pizza on One Button to differentiate this from the conventional menu for ordering pizza. And for item caption, we will type pizza. Again, for sizes and products, we will be sizing our pizzas using the standard size descriptions. In this case, we'll do a medium pizza. Drop down the list and choose medium pizza. And we'll be doing a large pizza. And drop down the product code list and choose the large pizza. By default, we're going to set the large pizza as the most frequently ordered item. This will make the super button, when a pizza is ordered, automatically order a large pizza. Take a look at the training booklet that you received with the training CD, and you'll notice under Build a Pizza, we have cheese only and then toppings that can be added to these cheese pizzas. We have toppings for pepperoni, sausage, black olive, onion, mushroom, and green pepper that all need to be set up on the button map. So we'll start here at the top and click this button for pepperoni. For the medium size, scroll down to the toppings, pepperoni for medium, and then pepperoni for large. And say OK, and we'll continue to put topping buttons down for the remainder of our toppings. Sausage. You can take a shortcut to entering product codes if you want to type the first few letters of the product code. In this case, it's topping. Scroll right to that section of the product code list. Olive medium and olive large. Next is onion. Medium and onion large. Next is mushroom. Medium and then mushroom large. Last is green pepper. And we have all of our toppings now assigned to button maps on the Super Button Properties window. We've now done everything in the Super Button required to set up a Super Button ordering screen for pizza. Let's click the Preview button and see how this looks. We have pepperoni, sausage, mushroom, green pepper, olive, and onion, and we can also change our size on the fly by selecting the Item Size button on the bottom of the window. Now let's talk about pricing. We can use one price for all items, which means that all of the individual topping prices for this pizza will be rolled up into the pizza price, so you won't see an individual topping price for each item. We can also charge for the most expensive portion. Now notice when I select Charge for Most Expensive Portion, it automatically checks Use One Price for all items. Because when we're charging for the most expensive portion of the pizza, it automatically puts the price for the entire pizza only on the line for the pizza. You won't see individual topping prices. Charging for the most expensive portion allows us to, for example, if a pizzeria charges the full pie price for a half pie topping, let's say one half of the pizza has pepperoni and the other half has sausage and mushroom, but the pizzeria charges for 2 full toppings on the pizza, then we can do charge most expensive portion and automatically charge 2 full toppings for actually 3 half topping charges. Let's also make these toppings member of a button group, and we'll call this toppings. And we're not going to select only one button, and we're also going to check allow no selection. The reason why we want to allow no selection is so that when a cheese pizza only is ordered with no toppings, that the program will allow you to exit the super button window before selecting toppings, because we don't want to, because it will be a plain cheese pizza. Whole limit lets you control how many toppings can be put on the whole pizza. In other words, if there is a maximum of 5 toppings permitted on the pizza, then the 6th and subsequent toppings will not be allowed to be put on that pie. Let's say that a restaurant offers the first topping on a pizza free and then charges for each additional topping after that. You can say free on or before of 1, and then the first topping will not be charged, but every subsequent topping put on the pizza after that will be charged. You can also say free on or after, because if a pizza is built that has more than, say, 5 toppings, there is a maximum amount of total toppings that can go on a pie and still have it cooked properly. So the amount of the toppings, let's say 5 is the maximum, the amount of topping that will be put on the pizza for each individual topping on the 6th topping or after is going to be a smaller amount, so only the first 5 toppings are charged. Let's remove the free on or before and save this button group, and then we'll assign each of these toppings to the topping button group. Now that we have all of our toppings assigned to the topping button group, everything has been done to this super button for ordering a Build-A-Pizza to allow that to be done in the order entry program. Now we're in the order entry program, and I'll show you what our super button for building a pizza looks like. Click New Order, and then click the Pizza on One button. And you can select as many toppings as you want for the pizza, and you can also change the size of the pizza on the fly. Notice that if we only have 2 sizes, touching the item size button switches between those 2 sizes. If this pizza had more than 1 size available, for example, a slice, personal pizza, small, medium, large, extra large, gigantic, what have you, then a screen or a list of those sizes would appear above the item size button when that button is selected. Closing this super button, we can see 1 large pizza, and pepperoni, sausage, onion, and mushroom are all put onto the order. If you'll refer to your training booklet, the next menu example we're going to do on this pizza super button is to set up the button to allow ordering of a deluxe and a veggie specialty pizza. You'll notice in your training booklet that the price of a medium cheese-only pizza is $6.99. The price for a deluxe medium pizza is $9.99. And when we set up product codes for specialty toppings, which in this case the deluxe pizza is a group of toppings that make up this specialty pizza, pepperoni, sausage, onion, and mushroom, we set up a product code that has a retail price of the difference between the plain cheese pizza and the price of the specialty pizza. So in this example, there's a difference of $3 between the price of the medium cheese pizza for $6.99 and the deluxe specialty pizza for $9.99. So the retail price of the deluxe topping, or this group of toppings that make up the deluxe pizza, is set up for $3. And we do the same thing for the large pizza, because the difference in the deluxe and the cheese large is